enabling the digital economy.
Hi everyone, we are Fantastic Five Group. Today we are very happy to be here, give you this speech. I hope all of you can enjoy this. Imagine it's 5 o'clock in a Friday afternoon. You are a bank manager, just finished your work. The weather outside is perfect. You have a cup of coffee and checking your email box at the last minute. But suddenly, a yellow warning pop-up says, your client's information is leaked. You are in panic because you know your boss will call you later and said, fix it right now. But how? So the honest dog system already monitors a suspicious movement. We quickly run analysis and identify the third-party provider who leaked this information and block it fast before more data gets leaked. So our system, the Honest Dog system, is an open API security system for the bank to protect users' information. In an open banking environment, users like us would benefit from the sharing data between bank and third-party providers. Throughout the world, PSD2 and the Open Banking Standard has been implemented in Europe and the UK in this year. Australian government is currently working on that and announced it will arrive from July in next year. But if third-party provider enter into the bank system, it will add a new level of complexity and increase potential risk. They have more opportunity selling this information than obtaining from bank and make it for profit. In 2017, around 30.3 billion records of personal information was leaked, 4 times more than that in previous year. An employee is a primary resources responsible for that, accounting for 50.3% of the total. So, if open banking is about sharing this data and opening the bank system to others, how could we prevent the personal information being leaked from the third-party provider? Our system is intended to solve this problem. And now I will hand to Han, and he will explain how our system works.
Okay, thank you, Sibyl. We settle this problem from the bank's perspective to prevent the bank customers' personal information from being threatened by the third-party providers. We developed the Honest Dog system. And the banks can use their system to track and monitor the security level of the information transmitted to their third-party providers to check if there is risk of information leakage. Now, I'll tell you how their system works to monitor the information security. The third-party identifier, we call it TPI, is the most important factor in the system we designed. We give every third party a unique identifier. It is similar to Swift code of the banks, but there is a significant difference. The TPI will be automatically coded into the data before data transaction from the banks to the third parties. And it's like we give the information transmitting to a specific third party a unique smell. And the Honest Dog can track and monitor the information with its accurate sense of smell. Once there is risk of information leakage, the Honest Dog will automatically block the third party according to the identifier containing the information. So let me explain it in a storyboard. If the customers request a financial planning software to analyze their expenditures during the last 3 months to help them better manage their wealth, the financial planning company will access the customer's transaction records from the bank's database through HD system. The system will verify the identity of the financial planning company and extract the customer's information from the bank's database and combine it with the TPI and transmit to the financial planning company. Then the company can use this information to analyze the customer's expenditures and provide them services. And at the same time, a record will be sent back to the HD system for analysis. If this information is detected at the risk of leakage or detecting using for other purpose, the system will temporarily block the third party and report to management level of the bank. The bank can conduct investigations on the third parties involved with customer information leakage and make their own decisions. This is only stock system. Next, Sibyl will talk about the benefits of the system.
What's the benefit of implementing our system? Well, we do not introduce a new sophisticated app making the bank system more complicated. What we want to do is to reduce the complexity. So the OnlyStock system can be act like a standardized and modularized system can be installed on the multi-platform of the banks. It's very easy to use. Also, we want to establish sort of accountability, making the third-party provider taking more responsible for the information they received. The banks can monitor with them simultaneously. So it's performed well in terms of flexibility, traceability, good value, easy to use, and fast. From the stakeholder perspective, our system can increase banks' internal control to further protect users' information. Our concept can add value to SWIFT Global Payment Innovation, also called JPI. JPI adopts a unique code to make those information more traceable. The identifier in our system could be integrated into JPI code to further enhance transactions transparency. Additionally, public will benefit from our system because their transmission data is more secure, and the procedure incorporated in our system is compliant with relative law and legislation. For example, Article 51F of GDPR. In all, OnlyStock system can increase the security level of open banking and bring the public more convenience. Do you still remember the story that I told you at the beginning? If you are that bank manager, you can enjoy a wonderful weekend and do not worry too much because OnlyStock system can help you fix this issue perfectly. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions or comments?